Tom Sachs now has designed 3 different shoes with Nike as part of Nike Craft. This is definitely the craziest one. Let's take a closer look. What's going on, guys? You're watching Sneaker News on YouTube. Today we're taking a closer look at one of the strangest shoes to ever have released by Nike. It is a collaboration with artist Tom Sachs. It's part of the Nike Craft initiative that started way back in 2012. And in this video, we'll talk about all the details, all the materials, all the thought that went into this pretty eccentric shoe. We'll talk about what people are doing on Instagram in terms of like cutting out the uppers and all that kind of stuff. But before we get started, just do us a quick favor. Hit that subscribe button and we'll keep it moving. Just to run down the basics, this is called the Mars Yard Overshoe, part of the Nike Craft initiative started by Tom Sachs and Nike. It officially released in October 11th exclusively at Dover Street Market in London. They did a raffle only, so getting a pair was pretty tough. And if you guys notice on Instagram, a lot of like celebrities and influencers had them, so Nike did see them out. And a lot of people were customizing the shoe to literally tear out the upper. So I'm pretty sure some people at Nike, or even Tom Sachs himself, is a little like not too happy about that. They would rather the shoe be worn as is, but at the same time, Tom's a creative guy. He would probably be okay with people getting a little creative with the shoe. So after that October release at Dover Street Market in London, which retailed for $550 US, there hasn't been a US release just yet. We keep hearing rumors about a release, but it looks like it's gonna pass through the early winter months of 2019 without a drop just yet. Let's take a closer look. Right here again, it's a Mars Yard Overshoe. Inside the shoe is actually the same Mars Yard 2.0 shoe that released back in 2017. It has that mesh exterior ready to wear with the SFB outsole. Not to be confused with the 2012 pair, it had a different nylon upper. Those go for about double the pair that dropped in 2017. What Tom Sachs did was added an extended tongue and of course all this stuff on the exterior. Not only are the colors different, there's a light blue midsole with this white shroud. The materials were also very thoughtfully selected now. This exterior, it has this nylon reinforced Dyneema material. There's a 3mm cord toggle which is also made out of nylon cords. There's magnets here for lockdown, of course, if you're gonna wear the shoe like this or roll it down like that. There's rubber foxing, there's nylon straps for more lockdown, there's a TPU midsole, and the outsole is a very sticky rubber. Like we said before, a lot of people on Instagram, those who have had the pair, they've been taking knives and literally like chopping out this upper nylon part to create pretty much a Mars Yard 3.0 shoe sort of, because you do see the tan and red signature look, but with this new blue outsole. People are keeping those straps on too. So the shoe itself is a little too crazy. You know, you can't really wear these every day. It's definitely not an everyday wear shoe. It's more of a collector's item if you like to hoard weird looking Nike shoes. In terms of design, there's really nothing else out there like that. You know, Tom Sachs always bringing that uniqueness to Nike, and you know, even though he doesn't do too much stuff with Nike, his collaborations have been, you know, highly sought after. Definitely bringing something new to the table. So even with this roll down pair here, you can see that extending tongue and the actual Mars Yard Overshoe on the inside. So the only thing to really wait for is a release date. We really don't know yet. We expect more pairs to drop sometimes in 2019. The shoe might not be for everybody. I mean, just even based on the resale market, these don't go for nearly as much as the Mars Yard 2.0 or definitely the 1.0. You can probably have pairs for around $1,500 right now if you do want these, but definitely an interesting shoe. It kind of looks like a snowboard boot. Even the shoebox has the full writing detailing all the aspects of the shoe. It's not exactly waterproof, it's water resistant. All these exterior writings sort of kind of speak to the whole trial and error, experimental sort of aesthetic. Even when you look inside the box, as you can tell, there's extra insoles with all these little illustrations. Almost like a child scribbles in a notebook. You know, that sort of experimental, visionary sort of ideas is kind of what made Tom Sachs who he is. Even the inside tissue paper has the table of elements, a nice little touch. All these other data and fractions, and pretty much the packaging is really on point. You know, he really wanted to tell that full story of Nike Craft, which he calls an adjective. It's about finding new ideas and really executing them. One final thing is that the shoe was originally called the March Yard because Tom Sachs really wanted to create a shoe that was built for like really bad weather, and typically March is like the crappiest month for weather period. I mean, in New York it snows, and then out in West it rains. Again, that's pretty much it. We hope you guys enjoyed this closer look. Not much we can really tell you in terms of release date as of yet, but you know, check the links below for the latest updates. Do us a quick favor, hit that subscribe button, and we'll catch you in the next video.